Hi everyone, my name is Lalit Dixit, and in this video I'm going to talk about very important word. It seems to be very small or very easy word, but you have always been confused in this word. I got so many people asking the same question, and then I decided that I would teach you this topic today, this video. And I guarantee you will never be confused again. Because this is a word which is used in so many conditions, so many tenses, so many types of sentences. And trust me, after watching this video, you would say, come on, where I was, why I was not watching such videos on YouTube, why I was not subscribing this channel. I guarantee you will have this kind of feeling after watching this video. Let's talk about the word. It is be, B-E. This word is used in passive sentences, in general sentences, with verb, with noun, with so many conditions. But how we can learn? We cannot parrot all the conditions, all situations. But if you know the sense of this word, conditions of this word, then you will enjoy speaking and using this word. Be is a word which is used as a linking verb in so many sentences. And why it is difficult to understand and for so many teachers to teach, because nowhere in the books it is mentioned properly. There are so many people try to teach over YouTube, but they were just speaking the same thing whatever is written in the books. But I am telling you in different way. Be is a word which is used as a linking verb, like I said before. It also can be understood in this way: wherever you put noun, non-action, just place be as a formality. It has to be used always with non-action, means not with a verb. Okay? Now, I give you an example. I am late. I was late. I will be late. Do you know, in 3 sentences, be exists. Be is also used to tell about the existence. That thing exists, existed, will exist. Actually, be has so many other phases. Like be is used in the forms of is, am, are, was, were as well. When we are using is and are before non-action, we call them be. Is, am, are, was, were we use for 2 purposes. The first one is as a helping verb, like with a verb plus ing, and second one as a be. Okay, so I give you 2 sentences. I am teaching. In this sentence, am is used as a helping verb. I am teacher. Here, am is not used as a helping verb. It is as a be. Okay, so either you can make a note like present forms of be dash is, am, are. Past forms of be dash was, were. And future forms of be will be, may be, might be. Means wherever we cannot use the forms like is, am, are, was, were before non-action, we have to place original form of be. Like with a can, could, should, would, used to, want to, try to. We cannot use is, am, are, was, were. So we have to use the original form of be. Like I will be late. I can be late. I know I should not be late. I do not want to be late. Late is not an action. It's not a verb. It is non-action. Means which is not an action. Okay. I am telling you another thing which you should know. Be has a third form also. B-E-E-N. Been. And if we use ing with a B, it becomes being. B-E-I-N-G. But in today's class, I'm not going to talk about the use of B-E-I-N-G and B-E-E-N. That I will teach you in my future videos. But I am talking about the use of be. Some people underestimate this word and they don't even bother to use it where it's supposed to be used. Okay. Sometimes people, they ask you, what do you want to be? You don't understand. You think that be is just a formality. But be means, what do you want to become here? Okay? So, I want to be doctor, teacher. I want to be rich. I want to be happy person. Whatever you want to be, you can answer accordingly. And if someone says, excuse me, will you be on time tomorrow in office? Yes, I'll be there on time. Or I'll be a bit late. I can't be late. I'll be in time. In time means before the time. On time means if you tell me to come at 5 o'clock tomorrow, I'll be there at 5 only. Not before, not after. Okay, so I am asking you, were you absent yesterday? So here, what is used as a be? Because absent is a noun. And were you waiting for me? Here, were is not used as a be. It is used as a helping verb. It is a bit tricky, but if you understand only one thing, that with a noun, we are using is, am, was, were. We call them be forms. So, I believe you know these kind of questions people ask almost every day in offices. Were you late yesterday? Were you absent yesterday? Were you there? Were you happy? Were you nervous? Like this. Are you ... Will you be ... means will you be present tomorrow in the office? Will you be present in the class? I will be present. I will not be present. Sir, you should be cautious. You should not be careless. You should be caring. You should be aware about it. Means make so many sentences by using these formulas which I'm telling you, like are you ... means are you non-action? I am non-action, I'm not non-action. Were you non-action? I was non-action, I was not non-action. Will you be non-action? I will be, I will not be, I may be, I might be, I can be, I could be. Means make sentences by all words which we have already learned. Okay? Just go with the steps. If you go step by step, then you will not be confused. Okay? So I believe you have understood the proper use of be and make sentences, use them in your conversation, enjoy your speaking with the confidence. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you soon. And if you have a doubt in any of the things which I've just explained here in this video, just leave your comment and I will cover up in the next video. Thank you. Bye.